The M-VAVE 25 MIDI keyboard is an essential tool for songwriters and beatmakers, featuring a compact design with 25 velocity-sensitive keys that enhance studio production and beat crafting. With its Bluetooth connectivity and built-in 2000 mAh battery, this keyboard offers exceptional portability and can last up to 16 hours on a single charge. The keyboard's 8 backlit drum pads and 8 assignable rotary encoders provide dynamic control for music production, allowing for precise mixing and synthesizer tweaking. Its compatibility with multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS ensures seamless integration with popular digital audio workstations like Ableton Live, FL Studio, and Logic Pro Tech. The smart chord and smart sound functions are particularly useful for performers and practitioners, enabling quick access to a variety of musical expressions. M-VAVE offers a robust support package with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and peace of mind.